In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in or add a Gmail account in Classic Outlook. Before we start, make sure you're using the classic desktop version of Outlook on your computer. You have a stable internet connection and you know the Gmail address you want to add. If you use two-step verification on your Google account, have your phone or security method ready. Begin by opening your Outlook app. If Outlook starts directly to your inbox, look for the option to add an account. You can usually find it by going to File and then Add Account. If you're on the first run setup screen, Outlook will prompt you right away. When the Add Account window appears, enter your full Gmail address exactly as it appears, including the @gmail.com part. Outlook uses this to detect the right connection method, so accuracy matters here. After typing your address, select Continue to move forward. Outlook will now open your default web browser to complete a secure Google sign-in. This handoff is expected. Outlook uses Google's modern sign-in, so you don't have to manage server settings manually. In the browser, choose your Gmail address from the list if it appears. If it doesn't, select the option to use another account and sign in with your credentials. If Google asks you to verify it's you, complete your two-step verification as usual. Next, you'll see a permissions screen. Select all to grant Outlook the access it needs, then click Continue. Granting all the listed permissions ensures emails, contacts, and calendars can sync smoothly, and features like sending, searching, and scheduling work correctly inside Outlook. After that, a small pop-up or banner will ask to open the link in Microsoft Outlook. Click Open in Outlook app. If your browser blocks the prompt, allow it from the address bar and try again. This step brings the authorization back to Outlook so it can finish setting up your account. Back in Outlook, simply follow the prompts to complete the setup. You may be asked to confirm the account name or let Outlook create a data file. The default choices are fine for most people. Outlook will then start syncing your Gmail. The first sync may take a few minutes, especially if you have a large mailbox, but you can start working right away. You'll know everything is connected when your Gmail account appears in Outlook's left sidebar and new messages begin to populate. From here, you can send a test email to confirm sending works and you're all set. Thanks for watching and enjoy your Gmail inside Classic Outlook.